Hello, students. Good morning. Today, we are going to deep dive into the magical world of the chess. What is chess? How to play chess? Why chess is important? We are going to learn each and everything. So, are you guys ready with me? We are going to learn chess today. Okay, so let's begin. What we are going to learn today, let's discuss the first thing. Okay, so as you know, chess is very interesting game and you all guys are here to learn chess. Why to learn the chess? What is chess? Like, yeah, I know everybody you are here to learn the chess, but what is exactly chess? We are going to learn that. What is the chessboard? Then we are going to meet our chess army and then how the chess moves move, then we are going to learn this. So these five are the outcome of the today's class. So are you guys ready? Okay, so let's begin. And in the beginning we will learn some of the interesting fact about chess, why to learn chess and why it become nowadays so popular. So these are things we are going to learn. So let's begin. First thing, what is chess? Chalo, chess. Before starting the chess, are you able to see two-person here? I wanted to know how many of you know these two-person. So let me tell you. Just focus or just think on your mind. Do you have seen the same person earlier or this kid earlier? Why I'm asking? Because they both are grandmaster. And by the way, who is this grandmaster is? The grandmaster is the highest position that you can achieve by playing chess. So let's begin with the what is chess. So chess is basically one strategy and thinking and fun game. It is a two-player game where one person chooses white and one person chooses black and they use their brain and their tactics to play around the chess. The interesting fact about the chess is you can't rely on your luck because chess is the only game where you need to focus and you need to play according to your mind. Like we are having multiple games like snakes and ladders, Ludo, but like in that case we need to rely on the points that we are getting by the dice. But chess is a strategical game. Here we need to use our 100% brain and without luck, like there is no luck in a chess, like we need to play our own self. Okay, so these are the basic thing about chess. So I ask you one question, have you seen this person earlier? Okay, just think on it and try to speak it. Let's see you are correct or not. So first of all, they both person are same. This is a Magnus Carlsen, and he is a grandmaster of all time, or we can say is a god chess player. He won rapid chess championship 5 times and 7 times he won blitz. What is this blitz and what is this rapid? Now these question might arise in your mind. So let me tell you. Rapid and blitz are a type of chess that we can play. Don't worry if you didn't hear about this. We will going to learn both of these things. So he is also a Magnus Carlsen, just like you. As you are a kid, you are here to learn the chess. He was also the kid when he started playing chess, and now he has succeeded in the chess world. And he is a GOAT chess player, GOAT, greatest of all time. So it's like good to know about some of the best chess player. Then only we can say, nah, we want to become a chess player like this. Okay, so let's go to the second heading. Second heading is about chessboard. I know most of the people or most of you have already seen this chessboard because you have played it, right? But if you not, so let me tell you some of the interesting thing about the chessboard. chessboard is made up of 8 row and 8 columns. As you are seeing here, we are having alternate black and white spots, and this is called chessboard. And what about these pieces? This is our army. Like first one, I will tell you what this army will do. We are going to fight together. This is a white pieces and these are the black pieces. One player sit here, another player sit here, and they will play, they will think, and they will play chess against each other. They fight with each other, and at the end, whose king got trapped, they will be check and mate. Don't worry if you don't know about what is checkmate and all, and you are feel free to ask about any questions. If you got any question in your mind related to chess or any terminologies that I am teaching you, so feel free to ask. I know it's a recorded lecture, so you might be afraid, but in live class we can interact together. I will ask you multiple questions, how, what you have understand, what you are learning. So these are the things we are going to learn. But as of now, let's learn the basics. The chessboard consists of 8 rows and 8 columns, and you are able to see alternate squares of black and white. So this is a chessboard basically, and I know majority of the you have already seen, and if not, so I have shown to you. Remember one thing, whenever we play a chess, right block white block came to the right, white and right, so you are right. Okay, white always come on the right side. So this white block came to the right panel. This is the first rule of setting up a board. But whenever we are playing chess online, we don't need to worry about how to set because it's already setted. But in offline mode, if we are having the chessboard, we need to keep this thing in mind. What? White block always on right. Remember this thing, white on right. Okay, and one more thing. First move is always done by the white. So these are the simple things, and when like in the deep dive, slowly we will learn many things. Why I made this slide, I will share this slide with you guys so you can learn the basic and you will remember the important things. I know it's a game, but if we are learning something, it's our responsibility ki we must know the basics as well, right? So this is a chess. Once we started playing chess, what is all about our army, then it will become more interesting. So are you curious to know about your army? So let's go to the next slide and we are meeting our chess army. So I have mentioned all the black pieces here. So we are having 8 pawns. Pawns is just like a soldier. These are the 8 soldiers which are protecting our main pieces in front of them. This is our king. King is the tallest piece. Then we are having queen. We are having 2 bishops. Then we are having 2 knights. Then we are having 2 rooks. We will discuss about what are the points of these pieces. What are the how they move. I know most of you already known to you, but still I know we are starting from the beginning, so it's our responsibility to learn each and everything. I have written here as well. We are having 16 pieces on the board, out of which we are having 8 pawns, which are soldiers, and we are having 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, 1 king, and 1 queen. And if you will notice the pattern, it is a mountain-like structure. Whenever we put our pieces on the board and we are having a good chessboard, it is always in the shape of mountain. And this is a fun fact. Yeah, most of the players don't know, like most of the students or beginners don't know the fact, but our all chess pieces are are set in the form of mountains. If you will notice, here is a king and these all are in the descending order. These are all in the descending order. A good chess pieces are always like it. So yeah, this is all your army. You are having 2 rooks to fight against the white. You are having 2 knights. You are having 2 bishops. You are having 1 queen and 1 king. Okay, sometime in Hindi, in Rooks we called elephant. That's why I kept it here elephant. Knights are horses, bishops are basically camel, and pawns are soldiers, and every piece moves in a different way. This is also one thing. Okay, I have written here key points. Okay, so are you guys ready? How these pieces we can move, and what are the possible moves, and how they attack the other army? So let's begin. Now we are going to our leechess.com, where we are going to learn rook and bishop as a main player or main pieces. We are going to learn how they move. So let's go to leechess. So here this is a rook. I have clicked on it. Basically, rook is a piece which we can move any direction, either in horizontal way or in vertical way. So if I am keeping rook at this position, see, in this is the first class, so we are not going to the position writing like this. What is this position? This is E and 2. So this position is called as E2. Similarly, we are having multiple positions, but in the first class, we are not going into the position. Just remember this thing. We can move rook in a horizontal and vertical straight way. Whatever the dots you are able to see here, we can move rook in this direction. So just to win this game, I am clicking on here and see, we won this. Again, the second puzzle. I told you Rook we can move in a straight horizontal and vertical way. So where we will move to collect the star? First we will go from here to here. We have collected the first star. You can clap. Then again what we will do? We will go from here to here. And yeah, we won. This time we are having 3 stars. Let's collect all of them by playing with rook. So first we will go from here to here, then we will go from here to here, and after that here, this position to blow. Let's go. So I have clicked on it, collecting first star, again clicking on it, collecting second star, again clicking on it, and collecting third star. I hope you are able to understand how this rook move. Basically, rook move. Again, I am teaching you rook move horizontal or vertically, but it cannot jump over the pieces. That's why. So once I will click first star, see you are able to see the multiple position. I can move here, I can move here. If you are considering star as a piece, how we can capture them? We can directly capture them like this. So again, if I want to collect this star, what I will do? I will come to this. I can't go here. You know, remember one thing. I can't go here. Like I can't go diagonally. I only go straight. I only go straight, either in a horizontal or vertical way. These are the possible way for the rook. So always remember this thing. Okay. So now I hope you have understand how this rook we can move and how our rook piece is going to move. See, I have come here, we are having multiple position. Whatever the dot you are able to see on the screen, we can place our rook there. Rook is a piece which we can move a straight line either in vertical or horizontal way. So again, let's collect the star and finish it. After this, we are going to learn the bishop. It might be little faster video, but yeah, we need to cover it. Let's learn bishop. We are having 2 bishops in our army. I told you, right? Again, one bishop is a light bishop and second bishop is a dark bishop. Why I am saying them light or dark? Let's again go to our chessboard. This is a dark colored bishop. It will only go to the dark side. Okay, let me go to the first level. See, it is the light square bishop, and here it was a dark square bishop. The bishop which are present on dark color is called as dark colored bishop, and it will move only diagonally. It will also move diagonally but in a same color. Like I can move it from here to here, 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 here. Again in this direction I can move. Again in this direction I can move. So this is our bishop, which we can move it in a diagonally way. So let's collect all the stars and understand how this bishop work. So I can go from here to here diagonally. Again I can come here to here to collect second star. From here to collect third star. Again this one is a fourth star. Yeah, then from here to here, then here to here. So in this way, we are able to collect all the stars with dark bishops. Now let's try with light bishop. From here to here, you can predict, you can go anywhere, like whatever these possible dots are there, right? It's very easy. Like in online, we can see all the possible moves, but if you are playing on board, then it will be little difficult. But once you will understand how bishop is moving, you can learn it. Like you will get the better understanding. Okay. Now we are having two bishops. This is called dark bishop and this is called light bishops. I hope you understood it. If not, let me know your queries and all. Definitely, we will resolve them in our next lecture. Or if it is a live one, we can directly resolve them here. Again, let's learn some fun fact and we will wind up today's session. So, chess is over 1500-year-old game. It's not a game of today. It's over 1500-year-old game. Do you know youngest chess grandmaster was only 12-year-old? There are many 12-year-old grandmaster, even one from India as well, even one from different countries as well. So you can also break this record. If you are lesser than 12, you can learn the chess and you can win it. Okay, so then let's understand some of the benefit why to play the chess. Chess basically boosts your brain power. It improves the concentration. Chess help you to remember the thing more clearly. Like I know most of the you were like whenever you will going to for the exam and you are learning for the exams, it's little difficult to learn, right? But when you play the chess, when you play this game, it help you to increase your concentration and brain power. It teaches you the patience and discipline as well. So these were the fun fact. And even do you know, if you know the atom and all, so like the number of atom which is present in whole world, like chess has more opening positions or more way to play the chess. Okay, might be this fact will like some of you will didn't understand it, but chess games have more possible ways to play than the atom present in this world. This is what a chess means. Okay, so these all about the things. In the next class, we are going to learn brief history about chess, type of chess, how to become grandmaster, some fundamentals and check and mate. And still we have learned only rook and bishops. In next class we will going to learn how queen, how king, how knight and how pawn move in a game and how it help you to win the game. So these are the things that we are going to discuss in the next class. Thank you so much for listening. It has been a good time with you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.